Hey, 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 hey. This is 40 miles an hour, lady. Well, I appreciate that you want to go slow. It's not a school zone yet. Okay, they must be texting because they're going into the other lane. Watch, they're not even going to notice this is a school zone. Okay, let's see. LGC 2560 is going through the school zone. So is GRZ 7389. This car has got to be texting or talking on the phone. And if I get to pull up next to them, I am going to find out. I'm going to be able to tell. Usually I can tell. I can't tell. Windows are tinted too much. They're either texting. This is HPB 8796 in front of me. Taurus, red car. Either texting or talking on phone.